Can you help us to answer the question of what is a good measure of a cat's quality of life in a kennel environment? We all want the best quality of life for the cats in our care, but if you cannot reliably measure cat quality of life, how do you know what really makes the life of cats in kennels any better? Researchers from the Anglia Ruskin University, Nottingham Trent University and the Waltham Centre for Pet Nutrition have gotten together to crack this nut. Working with leading cat experts, we have already developed a questionnaire, and now we need carers of kennelled cats, such as cat rescue, catteries, research institutes, to help us. It takes less than 20 minutes for each cat in total. And whether you can test just 1 or 21 cats, each is valuable for us, so please visit the website and sign up. Your data will help us to assess if the questionnaire works, and if it does, we will make it available to cat rescue centres and other cat kennels to make sure that the research benefits not only Charles and Tom here, but makes a better world for all cats. Please follow the link to get involved.